Hi, welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing a video on how I've installed a duplex meter. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. It's beautiful out. So it's a little bit of a challenge to take on something you've never done before, but I guess as you go little by little you get used to it, and you know. So that's how you make things happen. You go little by little. As far as electrical, I've never installed a meter box before, but you're allowed to as the homeowner. Here's the number 6 ground wire. We're going to be putting it through one of these here. Probably this one here. This little knockout. 2-inch pipe all the way up, connected to the meter box, to the wall, and through the roof. The wire is in place, and alignment to connect the power will at least the pole there, pole to the house. That way we get power to the house, and we don't have to keep running these generators and using up gas. Alright, more later. Inside I got the 2-aught wire. They're each 15 feet long. And here I got the 2-inch conduit pipe, galvanized. I'll be running those cables through this here. Then I'm going to attach this what's called a weatherhead. Going to get the 2-inch coupling off the 2-inch pipe. Hey Zen! Now I'm not too sure if I should string the wires through now or have it connected, then string the wires through the roof, which might be easier. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to go with connect the pipe to the meter box, then string the wires while it's in place into the meter box. Alright, well, I'm going to do that. Alright, it's beautiful out. So before I get it in, I want to make sure the threads are clean. So I'm going to grab something to clean those. I didn't want to be gone too long from my phone, so this awl right here may do the job. So I think that'll do it. So what I want to do is I want to go counterclockwise to where it slips into place. Then I want to tighten the mast. I think it already went into place. But to make sure, I want to, double check. Felt like it did, so. There it is. It feels like it's in place. Say that after the 5th thread, it's supposed to be watertight. And let's go with that. I may, though, off camera, go a little bit more. Now it's time to go ahead and get the wires through and get the weather head on. Also to get the wires to where they're long enough on the inside of that panel or the meter box. But there has to be at least 3 feet of overhang above that weather head. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the wires. So I figured before I put the wires through, I want to go ahead and take off this panel. Let me just go ahead and string from the bottom through there and through the mast. So, although it seems logical to go from top to bottom, but I'm going to go with what I think is, the right thing to do. There we go. Let's go ahead and look at it from, I don't know if that's 3 feet, that looks like 2.5. Let's go ahead and get the wires connected. Okay, so we got 2 hots above, and then we got a neutral, and I got my wires color marked. Not that the hots matter, but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on those, getting those shaved up. I'm gonna stop the recording and get the rest of them, or just let you see it. A little bit of check. And just because we're allowed to work on our own electrical stuff, sometimes it's better to have a professional do it. So just so you know, so especially when you're unsure of things. I did take a course in UAS in Juneau on electrical, so got some electrical training. It was a semester long, or at least a month long course. Okay, well that's a challenge there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and connect them. Looks like that's a number 8 metric. Now if you don't get these tight, what they'll do is they'll glow, and that's basically heat. What you want to do is you want to wiggle the wires after you tighten it, then tighten it some more, wiggle, tighten some more, wiggle. Okay, well, there's the gist of it. Got the neutral. Got the two hots. I'm gonna have a lineman come inspect this. So here's the rubber boot that goes up there. It's got these little sizes here: 1 3/4 to 2 1/4, or 2 1/8.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be.
So here's what it got up here. A rich portion of through the roof silicone. I'm gonna go ahead and install this.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Gonna keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. I wanna do, I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need to be happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Gonna keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven. One day from heaven. Learn some lessons.
Well, there you go. We got the mast. We just need the support block in unistrut. 1 foot from the meter, and every 2 feet. There you go. There's the video. So when you got something in mind and you follow you know, a sequence set of steps, or you kind of figure it out as you go, or get research done, and then you find out what you need to do. Then you, even though you might be a little afraid maybe, or nervous, or you just go step by step, then you get it all done, you know, little by little. So there it is, meter box installed. We need to get the wire, the ground wire inside there connected. Then we can get the linemen to come here, and they can connect the power from our house, or at least from excuse me, from the power pole there. We'll get power run over to our house, hopefully by today, tomorrow, not sure when. There you go. So we got the electrical all set up now. The lineman came in and connected our wires up there. So we got power to the house now. Yesterday I had finished off connecting the ground wire. Then I also secured it with these 3/8 clamps. And I cut some 3/4 treated plywood. Got some shallow unistrut. And the lineman, he inspected it before he attached meters to the meter box. Alright, there's our power system. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check out my channel, Making It Happen with Joe Pete. See ya.